Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.